Hello guys. So like I told you yesterday, today we're going to be talking about the earth crust. And this is the layer, the thinnest layer of the earth structure on which you stand. Those are your mountains and your jungles and your oceans. That's where you build your homes, that's where you play in the playground, that's where you live your life. Um, what we see is that the crust is composed of three types of rocks. And you know them because you did it in fourth grade quite a bit. And you also did it, we had a whole section in our class where we talked about those rocks. And they are igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks, if you remember. Now, don't want to go back right now and review that, but I do want you to remember those are the three main types of rocks that our layer or crust is made of. Now we also have plates. The plates that make up the earth crust, they are, let me see, called tectonic plates, and they're in constant motion. One of the let me see if I can turn around this so you can see this picture. And here, if you could see it, you have here by California, this is the earth divided up into tectonic plates. But this one here, it's actually one of the ones that is more in constant motion, and between the Pacific and the North American plate, and sometimes they get stuck. So when that happens, that energy needs to be released, and then that's when you see your earthquakes and volcanoes, and that's why you see so many volcanoes on that side more than in our side, because when the plates get stuck, that happens. The crust and the tectonic plates are not the same thing, okay? But plates are thicker than the crust and consist of the crust and the shallow mantle just beneath it. And together they're called the lithosphere. In general, then there are going to be two kinds of crusts. The one that you find at the bottom of the ocean floor, and the ones that you find on the continental crust. The ones at the bottom of the ocean floor are called basaltic, and the ones on the continental crust are called granitic. All right, that's your crust, the top layer, the thinnest layer, the one you walk on, the one that it's supported by the tectonic plates, and the one that have those three main types of rocks that we talked about before. All right, and tomorrow we'll go deeper inside the earth and we'll talk about the mantle. All right, see you guys soon.